video. First of all, you will click on this photo, then you will, if you want to rotate your photo, like left, right, up, down, all every side, so you will like this. So hey, see friends, like this. Then if you want zoom your photo, मत बजाओ ना यार, कॉपीराइट आई, like this. ताकि विकास में वही सुता या गाना बजाता सो जा. So see, then you will click on filter. So there are many filters in KineMaster, so you can try one by one. So I am trying this one, and this, all these, there are multi photos, so you can choose and you can increase and decrease brightness level like this. See, या कभी कसम कुछ सुखे चाहिए था, या बैठा बड़ा फर्जी के लोफी पे और या कहते काम करा ठीक क्रिकेट पे. So friends, you can try one by one all these filters. So see, then you will click on adjustment, so you can easily adjust your photos color, brightness level, all. If your photos brightness level is down, so you can increase and decrease your photos brightness level according to your choice. So see, you will click on brightness level and you can make easily up and down, increase and decrease like this. Then you will click on contrast, so then you will click on saturation and leave it. Then click on vibrance, then click on temperature. You can easily change your photos temperature, colors, all over things. So highlight and hue. Last option is hue. This is color changing filters. So if you want to change your photos filter colorful, so you will click all this. So you friends, if you like this video, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's see you next video. Bye.